Last page of our homework, construct 3 altitudes. Remember, an altitude is going to be a perpendicular from a point. Okay, so we've already done perpendicular from a point. Let's see, I'll start with, I'm going to name it A, B, C, just so I can talk about it easier. I'm going to start with A. So perpendicular from a point. I want the curve that goes through my line. Let's extend this a little bit because I don't know if that caught the... And I'm going to go from each of these points, make an arc, and connect that. So if I connect there, there's an altitude, right angle at that point. I'll do another one. Let's do B. Turn my paper so it works a little easier for me. I want to do a curve that goes through there. Again, I'm going to extend to make sure. I don't like those big fat points. They make it a little difficult to do. And I'm going to shorten this up so I'm on my paper. There we go. And then over here, about there. And then I connect the dots. So there's another altitude. And now one more altitude and we're done. I'll do this one with a black pen. So again, past the line. I got my marks here and there. So I'll set up on one of them. I'm shortening that so I stay out of words if I can. So you can change the measurement from the big arc to when you do those, but these two have to be the same length. Okay. There we go, another altitude. So that's all it asked was construct the altitudes. Now, just for the sake of argument, this point here, because it is the construction of the altitudes, remember, that gives me the orthocenter. Okay, so if you had to construct an orthocenter, that's how you would do it. Last one, construct any one median of the given triangle. Median goes to a midpoint. So I'm going to do just one at the bottom here. So I need to find the midpoint first. So finding my midpoint, I can do a perpendicular bisector to do that. Okay, and do my bisector. So my midpoint is now going to be right there. And to construct the median, I want to go from there to here. So there's my median. Okay, simple as that. If you want to do another one, you could do another one. Remember that the medians, if you intersect those, they give you the centroid, which breaks it up in a 2-to-1 ratio. Okay, good. Try these problems out and hopefully you did well. We'll come back tomorrow or we'll come back on after the weekend and do our next piece, which is the transformations.